Welcome to 1 Minute Tech, where we bring you the latest breakthroughs and major developments in the world of technology. Today, we have a fascinating story that represents a potential turning point in AI-powered manufacturing and robotics integration. Let's dive into the details of how two tech giants, Nvidia and Foxconn, are exploring the deployment of humanoid robots at a new state-of-the-art manufacturing facility in the United States. According to information from reliable sources, Nvidia and Foxconn are actively discussing the introduction of humanoid robots at a new Foxconn plant located in Houston, Texas. This facility is designated for the production of Nvidia's cutting-edge AI servers. If this plan is finalized, it would mark the very first occasion that Nvidia products are manufactured with assistance from humanoid robots on the production line. Furthermore, this would also be the inaugural Foxconn factory assembling AI servers that integrates humanoid robots into its operations. While Nvidia has chosen not to provide any comments on this matter, and Foxconn has yet to respond to recent inquiries regarding these developments, what has emerged is nonetheless highly intriguing. Foxconn, also widely recognized by its official name Han High Precision, has been actively developing its own humanoid robotics technology in collaboration with Nvidia. In addition, the company has experimented with humanoid robots created by UB Tech, a robotics firm based in China. However, it remains uncertain which specific types of humanoid robots Foxconn and Nvidia intend to use in the Houston facility. There is no official confirmation regarding the appearance of these robots or the number that may be deployed at the outset of operations. The current discussions suggest that both companies are considering introducing these humanoid robots into active use at the Houston site by the first quarter of next year. This timeline would coincide with the commencement of production at the Houston plant, where Foxconn is set to begin assembling Nvidia's GB300 AI servers. However, the exact roles these robots will play within the factory have not been disclosed at this stage. According to materials shared during a company presentation in May, Foxconn has been preparing these robots for various production tasks. They are being trained to handle operations such as picking up and placing components, inserting cables, and performing assembly-related duties. One of the reasons the Houston facility is seen as an ideal location for this ambitious plan is that it is a brand new site. Compared to existing AI server manufacturing facilities, this plant offers significantly more space, which provides greater flexibility for integrating advanced robotics systems, including humanoid robots, into its production lines. During an industry event that took place in Taipei last month, a senior executive from Foxconn Industrial Internet revealed further details about the company's robotics strategy. Foxconn is planning to present two distinct versions of humanoid robots at its annual technology showcase scheduled for November. One variant of the robot will be designed with legs, enabling it to walk and navigate complex environments. The other will utilize a wheeled autonomous mobile robot or AMR platform. This wheeled version is expected to be more cost-effective compared to the legged model, offering a practical alternative for certain industrial tasks. This move forms part of a broader strategy by Nvidia to expand its manufacturing capabilities for AI-related hardware in the United States. In April, Nvidia announced its intention to establish AI supercomputer manufacturing plants in Texas. As part of this plan, Nvidia is working alongside Foxconn in Houston and Wistron in Dallas. Both manufacturing sites are projected to significantly scale up production within a period ranging from 12 to 15 months from the initial announcement. Adding to the context of how rapidly humanoid robotics is advancing, it is worth noting that earlier this week, the Swedish company Hexagon, known for its industrial software and sensor solutions, unveiled a humanoid robot named Aeon. This robot was developed using Nvidia's complete robotics technology stack, highlighting Nvidia's expanding influence in the field of robotics beyond just AI servers. Once again, when approached for further clarification, Nvidia has chosen not to issue any statements regarding these ongoing discussions. The same applies to Foxconn, which has not provided additional commentary as of now. This potential integration of humanoid robots into the manufacturing of Nvidia AI servers signals a significant evolution in how next-generation hardware may be built. The collaboration between Nvidia and Foxconn, two industry leaders, could redefine the role of robotics in high-tech manufacturing, setting a precedent for other companies to follow. Thank you for watching 1 Minute Tech. If you found this update insightful, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more cutting-edge technology news and analysis. Stay tuned as we continue to bring you the most important stories shaping the future of tech.